If you want to create a smooth pan and zoom effect in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, even if you've never used keyframes before. This is one of the easiest ways to make your videos feel more dynamic, more polished, and way more professional. It's perfect for tutorials, vlogs, talking head videos, edits, and any clip where you want to guide the viewer's attention. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open CapCut and bring your video clip onto the timeline. You want the clip placed and ready to edit before you start adding any movement. Once your clip is on the timeline, move the playhead to the exact frame where you want the pan or zoom effect to begin. This starting point matters because it tells CapCut where the motion should start from. After that, click on the video clip in the timeline so it's selected. Now look at the top right panel and go to Video, then Basic. In this section, you'll find the position and size controls, sometimes labeled as transform depending on your version. Here, you'll see the keyframe icon, which looks like a small diamond. Click that diamond icon next to Scale or Position to set your first keyframe. You should see a blue diamond appear on the clip, showing that CapCut has saved the starting point. Now that your starting keyframe is in place, it's time to create the actual movement. Move the playhead forward along the timeline to the frame where you want the pan or zoom to finish. This is where the motion will end. So choose the timing carefully based on how fast or slow you want the effect to feel. If you want to zoom in, go back to the top right panel and increase the scale value. You can also click and drag the corners of the preview box directly in the player window to enlarge the clip. As soon as you change the scale, CapCut will automatically create a new keyframe for that position. If you want to pan instead of zoom, simply click and drag the video inside the preview window until your subject is centered where you want it. That movement also creates a new keyframe automatically. So basically, the first keyframe marks the start, and the second one tells CapCut how far to move, how much to zoom, or where to shift the frame. This is where the magic happens, because CapCut will smoothly animate between those 2 points. You don't have to manually create every frame. Just set the beginning, make your change at the end, and the software handles the transition for you. If you want a gentle cinematic zoom, keep the scale increase small. If you want a more dramatic effect, push the zoom a little further. For panning, small movement usually looks cleaner and more natural, especially for talking head videos or product shots. A good tip is to preview the motion after each adjustment so you can see if it feels smooth or if it moves too fast. If you want the camera to hold on a zoomed-in frame for a little longer before moving again, you can do that too. Move the playhead forward to the point where you want the view to stay still, then click the diamond icon again without changing any settings. That creates another keyframe with the same position and scale, which tells CapCut to hold the frame in place. This is really useful if you want to emphasize a moment, keep focus on a subject, or pause before the next motion begins. On the other hand, if you want to reset the shot and zoom back out, move the playhead to the point where you want the view to return to normal, then drag the scale slider back to 100% and center the position again. CapCut will create another keyframe, and your clip will smoothly return to the original framing. The best part about using keyframes in CapCut is how flexible they are. You can build simple zooms, slow pans, dramatic reveals, and even custom camera-style motion without needing advanced editing skills. Once you understand the basic process, you can use it anywhere in your projects to make your videos look much more engaging. If you're editing content for YouTube, this is one of those small techniques that can make a big difference in how professional your final video feels. So, to quickly recap, place your clip on the timeline, move the playhead to the starting point, add your first keyframe, move forward to the ending point, then adjust the scale or position to create the pan or zoom. Add extra keyframes if you want to hold the shot, and reset to 100% if you want to zoom back out. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips, beginner guides, and quick workflow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.